Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our channel Render Lover. Today we are going to learn about part configuration, and this is the second tutorial of the part configuration. So let's get started. So here I have a parasolid body. You see there is a two extrude pause and some fillets in this body, but you see there is no feature tree in this part. So you cannot change the value of the fillet manually by clicking edit feature or something like that. So if you have to replace the fillet like this, you like if they say you have to replace the fillet with chamfer and the diameter of this circle will increase, then how can you do that when you have no feature tree? So let's see. So first of all, I am going to direct editing tab. If you don't find this tab, just simply click right click on your mouse and going to tab button. Here you will find the direct editing. So here you will find move face, move oblique copy bodies, fillet, chamfer, linear pattern and other options like delete and keep bodies, delete face, split and combine. So now I have to repair this upper edge like this. So I am going to select the delete face. Here you will find three options: delete, delete and patch, delete and fill. So I have to delete this and this. Here I have to select delete and patch and clicking OK. See, the fillets are gone and the edges are repaired. Now they said that you have to increase the diameter of this circle. So for this I am going to select the move face, and here you will find three options: offset, translate and rotate. So I am going to choose this and giving the value 10 and clicking OK. See, the diameter of this circle is increased. Now here I am going to adding the chamfer. For this I am going to select 2 mm and again this is 5 mm. Okay, now I am going to select the materials. Here brush. So now you can measure the mass of this property. Like see, there is a mass. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share our videos, and if you have any question, please let us know in our comment section. Have a good day. Thank you very much.